sure, bro.
Yeah.
Work. Man, we need to change it up.
We gotta change this stuff right now.
Let's do it.
Whoa, yeah. It's a lot better. Yeah.
Oh,
Still
yeah.
Rollin Summer Show. You know what it is. Lowriders, baby.
Some people ride on the inside. Some people ride on the top, man, like they do, like the real players do. I see you, man. Y'all doing it different, man. It's different. Okay.
careful. All right. Them laws can't stop nothing.
What the business is? What's up? Oh, the ladies in this one? Yeah. Hey, y'all better come over to my tent and get some drink after this. Y'all feel me?
Ladies and gentlemen, may I please have your attention? The world famous Drinks Poured will now be serving drinks at the Mobb Junior's tent.
Man, Drinks Poured. I'm about to serve them up.
Still rolling.
Still rolling. Still rolling. Alright, man, we're out here. You already know what we're doing the thing. I'm about to make my man up a nice cocktail. Let's see what he likes, man. So what do you like to have to drink, man?
Gangsta shit.
Gangsta shit? Alright. Well, gangsta shit, it's gotta be brown, right? Slim say he likes it strong.
Brother, man.
Trying to beat the heat.
Y'all ain't here, y'all missing out, man. I'm still rolling.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, y'all already know what it is.
Mobb Genius TV too.
Yeah, shout it out, baby. That's gonna be the big guy.
Make mine like that.
Okay. Boom, sit around. Yeah,
This episode of Mob Genius TV and this Lowrider show were dedicated to the memory of Leo Lopez, the Godfather. Rest in peace, Leo, and all proceeds generated from this show were dedicated to his family and the funeral expenses.
Oh, still rolling? Yo, give a shout out, bro.
I'm melting on the now. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good. It's for the homeboy Leo, man. R.I.P., man. Forever still rolling, baby. R.I.P.
Boy, you know,
We lost a good soldier, but we're out here, you know, trying to get a little help from everybody else, you know. But we're out here in the flea market. Still rolling car show, baby.
Man, Leo was one of the baddest motherfuckers ever, man. Big old homie, dog. He was like a big brother to all of us, you know. Always positive, man. Always happy. We're gonna miss him big time.
Shout out, Rollin, please, Leo, you know what I'm saying? That's my big little brother, you know what I'm saying? Much love, you know what I'm saying? I got love for his mama, you know.
Yeah, most definitely, man. Leo was a good guy, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, he was riding with us on the GoPro chapter at one point, and, man, tragic that we lost a good guy like that, man.
Really good dude, man.
Yeah, much love.
Man, when I drove the club, and really good dude, man. Really good dude, man. Tragic loss.
What's up? Season 1, baby.
yeah, man.
Every day.
You got any love for Leo you want to give a shout out, man? We're doing that as well, walking around.
Man, to his family and everything that they're fixing to go through, man. It's rough, man. I know I lost a brother, and it's not an easy situation to go through. So much love and respect to the family. My heart goes out to them. I hope they get the strength that they need to handle everything that's coming.
Respect, dog. You know, we knew you when I first came in. We're gonna miss you, brother. Still rolling one chapter.
We miss you, bro. We miss you. My condolences to your family.
Rest in peace, Lil, man. We're doing this for you. This right here, we're helping with every dollar we make today. All the proceeds on the raffle, all the car show registration, everything we're doing, is all going to the funeral. We're not collecting $1.